With the Resources panel in the Gantt module, you can view your team members' workload details without losing the context of your Gantt timeline. Enable the Resources panel from the top menu in the Gantt module. Now, let's look at how you can customize the Resources panel to fit your business needs. All configuration options are available right above the panel. Here you can view the workload for individuals or teams, switch the effort mode between original estimate, remaining estimate, or story points, decide how workloads are displayed, in hours, man days %, or story points. You can also control how data is aggregated over time. Select from daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, or time-box-based views to match your planning horizon. If your setup includes multiple time-box levels, you can specify which level to use for aggregation. Simply click the timebox name above the Gantt chart to focus on that specific level. To see how it works in practice, drag a task on the Gantt chart. You'll notice that the corresponding workload cell in the Resources panel updates automatically, reflecting the new task allocation. Additionally, you can configure color coding rules in BigPicture administration. You can set separate color indicators for individuals and teams and maintain full control over how workload levels are displayed. To explore the number in more detail, click a colored tile to open the Workload Details dialog. Here you'll see key information, including the date, assignee, effort mode, total workload, and remaining capacity. Below the capacity figures, you'll see a color code explanation that clarifies what the cell's color represents in terms of workload to capacity ratio. Finally, the dialog includes a list of assigned tasks with their individual workloads, giving you a clear view of how the totals are calculated. To get a more comprehensive perspective, you can easily switch to the Resources module using the Switch to Resources button. That's all. The Resources panel brings your workload data and Gantt timeline together, helping you plan with clarity and confidence.